Welcome to TechGilbert channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter the BIOS setup on your MSI motherboard. Now, the first thing that you have to do is go to Start and then restart your computer. So just click on Restart from here and wait for the screen to go black. Once you see the screen goes black, all you need to do is keep pressing the Delete key from your keyboard until you see the BIOS menu. And there it is. Now in here, you'll find a lot of information about your system, like your CPU speed, your RAM speed, and some other information. Most of the settings you will find under the settings here. And once you make any changes, let's say if I change the XMP profile from profile 1 to profile 2, then to save it, all I need to do is click on this X icon from the top right, and you'll see the changes that you have made. And from here, all you need to do is just click on yes, and then your computer will restart and it will save all the changes that you have made. And that is how you can enter the BIOS setup on your MSI motherboard. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.